Assalamu alaikum class. How are you? I'm your teacher, Umaira Maksum. As it is a class of fine art, today our topic is learning of man. First, I request you, please observe keenly the slides as you are student of art, and I will give you an assignment in the last to make a poster on this topic. So please observe keenly because you have to draw ideas on this topic. This is the slide in which we can see a bird eye view of learning of man, from where man starts and where he is. First of all, you see rock arts, then ideograms, alphabets, ornamental arts, costumes, ornate initials, miniatures, carpets, paintings, etc. These are the sources of art from where you know how man learn. When you study the rock arts, you see there are many paintings, inscriptions, sculptures, through which we get knowledge about their living, their food, their interest of primitives. The next one is ideograms. What is ideogram? Oh, ideogram is a theme, concept, not a letter or alphabet. In the old age, when we see Egyptians, Greeks, Chinese, and Japanese, they were used to write their theme in a form of small picture. Like to show animals, they make only bull or horse or their head. Because when man started learning, there were no alphabets. They used to make images, just image and no alphabet. That image we call ideograms or pictograms. Even in these days, we see that this language is not dead. In these days, when you go abroad or where your language is not used, you can understand the language of ideograms, like on airport or in public park. You see that there is dustbin and small board is showing you that put trash in it. A figure is throwing trash in it. Or airport signs, road signs, school signs. Yes, there is no lettering on those boards, but only image show you concept or theme. That is ideogram. The next one is alphabet. Alphabet, you know, ABC. I show you the examples of ideograms. This is the cave, first rock art, where you can see the pictures on rocks or stones, man marks. This is now examples of ideograms. You can see the woman is showing with a small head and yes, legs, a child. The next one is also the example of ideograms. This is Egyptian ideogram. When we study pyramids, we see that there are many their stories, their writings on walls, which show the history of Egypt. Now the age is developed. Now there is research rooms or printing or alphabet started. What is this? This is the age when writing became, images and writings both are supportive for each other. We convey our knowledge. Okay, these were the